Hi everyone, in this video we will learn how to solve corners of first layer in a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So this is the first layer, and how to solve corners. These are the corners 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how to solve these corners? So now I am mixing the cube. So right now our white plus is solved. Only the white plus is solved. What we need to do is we need to solve all the corners to complete the first layer. So solving the corner means this piece or this place should have a white, red and a blue. This should have a white, blue and a orange. This should have a white, orange and green. And this should have a white, green and red. So then we will be able to have this look. So all the corners solved like this. So now how to solve it? So we know one thing, that a corner piece cannot go to a center or an edge. So corner piece will always be in a corner. So to find all those 4 pieces, we know that cube has 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So only 8 corners cube have. So all those 4 pieces that we need in the first layer, corners, they will be present in this 8 corners only. So we need to look in only in these 8 corners pieces to find our piece. So we'll start from one corner. We'll start from this corner right now. So we need a white, blue and a red piece. So what we will do is, keeping the white cross side down and look on the top layer, find that piece, white, red and blue. So I found this. So don't move your cube like this too much. Just move the top layer to see if there is any white, red and blue piece. So in this case I found this piece. This is white, red and blue. I will keep it on top of here. So because we want to bring this white, red and blue piece at this place, so we will keep this piece on top like this. Now when we have keep this corner piece on top, the next step is to do a R, U, R prime. Now you will see that white, red and blue piece has come on the bottom. So we have the right colors in this corner, but these are mixed up, these are not solved. So if this piece is still not solved, again do a R, U, R prime. So again see, we don't have that blue, red and white piece, and we will see that blue, red and white piece has come to this place. So again bring that piece on top of where we want. So again I bring it here, and I'll again do R, U, R prime. So again you got the white, red and blue piece you got it on the bottom, but it's not solved, it's not rightly placed. So colors are on opposite sides. So I'll again do R, U, R prime. So again, that white, red and blue piece that we need here has gone to this place, this corner. So again I'll bring this piece on top of like this. Now I'll again do R, U, R prime. So now you can see we got this piece where we need. So our one corner got solved like this. So we only need to do R, U, R prime. It might take 4 times or it might get solved in 1 time. So this is a basic way of solving a corner piece of first layer. So again we'll look for any other white corner piece on the top layer. So I found this one, white, red and green, white, red and green. I will move this white, red and green in between red and green piece, center, like this, red and green. So I have moved this white, red and green piece here because I want to bring this piece this place on the bottom side. So I place this piece on top of where I want to bring it finally. Okay, now we will do R, U, R prime. So see, this is not solved. Again do R, U, R prime. This piece has gone towards left. Again bring it on top and do a R, U, R prime. So see, our 2 corners got solved. Now I'll again find a white corner piece on the top layer and move that on in between the other 2 colors in that white corner piece. So other 2 colors are orange and green. Orange and green. So I'll move this piece in between orange and orange and green central piece, because I want to bring this piece here. So here we need a white, green and an orange piece. So I have bring that piece on top of it. And now I'll do R, U, R prime. Not solved. R, U, R prime. See, it has moved towards left. Again bring it on top and do R, U, R prime. See, this corner also got solved. Now I'll again find if there is any other white corner piece. I found this one, white. So it's white, orange and blue. So I will move this corner piece in between orange and blue center pieces in middle layer. So like this. So why I am doing it? Because I want to bring this piece here. So this place needs a white, orange and blue. So I have bring that corner piece on top layer on just top of this bottom piece. And now I can do R, U, R prime. Not solved, still not solved. Again do R, U, R prime. So this piece has gone towards left. Again bring it on top and do R, U, R prime. Now see, we have got the corner solved. First layer got solved. So we've got the first layer solved completely. So one thing we need to keep in mind that don't move your cube too much like this. If you want to move the cube and see what is on the other side, just see it like this, slowly like this. Don't do it like this, because you know white is always in the bottom. So you need to do it like this, slowly, because when you move your cube like this, you got confused where is what layer, where is what color. So I hope this video helped you to how to make a first layer, how to solve corners in first layer. Let me know in comments if you have any questions. Thank you and keep practicing.